Shakespeare's identity, myth or reality? The true identity of William Shakespeare, one of the greatest names in English literature, and the real authorship of his works have been a contentious subject for years. While many believe Shakespeare himself to be the true author of his works, others question this notion. This topic remains shrouded in mystery within the literary world. The primary debate surrounding the true authorship of Shakespeare's works revolves around the source of the deep knowledge and understanding evident in his works, despite his limited education and life experiences. Some critics argue that the detailed knowledge and complex characters found in Shakespeare's plays could not have originated from a man with limited education and experience. Consequently, some believe that someone other than Shakespeare must have been the true author of these works. The most popular alternative candidate for Shakespeare's true identity is Edward de Vere, the 17th Earl of Oxford. De Vere was known as a knowledgeable and intellectual figure of his time, and many references and detailed knowledge found in Shakespeare's works align with his background. Some claim to have found evidence supporting de Vere as the true author of the works. However, despite proposals suggesting de Vere or others as the true authors of Shakespeare's works, this topic remains contentious, and a definitive answer has yet to be found. Debates surrounding the true authorship of Shakespeare's works continue to be closely examined and discussed by literary historians, researchers, and enthusiasts. In conclusion, the true identity of Shakespeare and the real authorship of his works remain a mystery. Speculation and research on this topic continue to capture the attention of the literary world with the expectation that new evidence may eventually solve this enigma.